How to turn on or turn off Share My Location on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services. Next, in here, tap on Share My Location. Then tap on Share My Location. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here says share your location with family and friends in Messages and Find My. Make personal requests using Siri on HomePod and use automations in the Home app. So if you don't want to share your location, you can just hide it by simply switch off this feature. Otherwise, you can share it by turning it on. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.